We are in the era of artificial intelligence, and there's a lot AI can do for us. In this video, you will learn how to use AI to analyze your data. You can use it to plot charts and do other things that have to do with data analysis. Also, is suitable for students and for business owners. Okay, so whether you're a student or you run a business or you are working in a place, okay, it can do a lot for you. Let's get straight into it. Okay, let's start with ChatGTP. Okay, get your PC connected to the internet and open your web browser. Visit chatgtp.com. You can see the web link here. Okay, here we are landed here. Let's assume we don't have account, so click on sign up. Then here type the email address, or you can go with this option, continue with Google. This is on the condition that you have a Gmail account, all right? Then select the email address, then click on continue. Once you are done creating your account, you will see an interface that looks like this. So then click OK. Try now. So we are landed here. Our intention here is for data analysis. So I want us to use Excel file. Okay, so I have a data I prepared here already. Okay, you can see my Excel. So this contains the names of my students, their score, and their age. Okay, so we want to use this to run a graph on ChatGTP and as well analyze some data. So let's just save this file first. Click on save, select save as, select browse. Okay, let's call this AI data. Okay, then we have selected for it to be saved in the documents folder. So click on save. Okay, we can now go back and upload that file to ChatGTP and ask him certain questions. Okay, so come down to this section and click on this attach file icon. Select upload from this computer, but you have these other options: connect to Google Drive and connect to Microsoft OneDrive. We don't want that, so we have our file saved locally. So go with this option and then navigate to where the Excel file is on your in your folder. Okay, see it here. I'll click on it and click on open. Allow it to load. Now our information is loaded here. So let's ask this AI to help us analyze this data. The first information is that we are going to tell the AI program to plot a chart, a column chart showing the age against the student's performance. So I will type here. Okay, we say represent student's name and the performance in a column chart. After that, click this. You can see this has represented our data in a column chart in a very neat way. From here, you can see that Godwin performed best. Okay, if we get to the chart, to the Excel sheet, you can see that Godwin performed with a score of 99, which means that he is the highest. Okay, so the information is properly represented. But maybe we want some clarity. We can still ask this program to tell us the students that performed the most. Okay, we have here which student has the highest score. So we send it here. You can see it has respond to us based on the Excel data we have here. It said the student with the highest score is Godwin with a score of 99%, which means I'm intelligent because I'm a student in my own school too. So this is how you can use ChatGTP for chart and data analysis. Maybe you're working on a decision and your boss sent you email or somebody sent email to you and you want to get a summary of it, or you want a response that is professional. You can copy the text, paste here, and then tell ChatGTP to respond to this email, okay, in a professional way, or maybe in some sentences. ChatGTP will give you the response you need within a short time. Okay, so let's go to Copilot and see what Copilot can do for us. If you use Windows 11, the updated version, you have Copilot icon here at the taskbar. Okay, by this bottom right. You can see where my cursor is here. So click on it for you to launch it. Whether you want to use the program as a student or for work, it has answer to give to you. But the thing here is that as at the time this video is produced, Copilot does not have the option for you to attach a cell or document file. Rather, it works with screenshot or audio. So what we're going to do here is that we're going to go and take the screenshot of the data we have in this Excel and then ask Copilot to help us analyze the data. So let's go there. So I'll click on the Excel for it to open with my data. Then I will take a screenshot of this. Okay, good. All right, this is automatically saved in the screenshot folder of my File Explorer. So let's go back to Copilot and ask him to do some things for us. Okay, so we are going to upload the data. So we'll click on this image icon and select upload from this device. This opens the File Explorer. So ensure that you open the pictures folder. From the pictures folder, find screenshots. Okay. Then I'll scroll down and then I'll double click on this. This is the screenshot here. So the file is not placed here. So let's now ask Copilot a question on the analysis of the data. So I'll ask Copilot to tell us students that are 17 years in the chart, in the data we have. Okay. Okay, so we have here, we say name the students that are 17 years old. After that, click here for it to be submitted. So be patient for the program to generate the information we want. Okay, look at what it responds to us. The students who are 17 years old are Kevin and Lovett. The image you provided shows a spreadsheet with students' name. Okay, so you can see, let's get back to the file and know if it's true. You can see Lovett is 17 and Kelvin is 17. So you see, the program works intelligently, so it can help you as a student and it can help you as somebody that works in a place. Wow. I hope you learned something today. So you can see that there is a lot you can do with artificial intelligence. Okay. Whether it's ChatGTP or is Copilot, other AI tools that are good, you can use them for your data analysis and get the results you need within a short time. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the like button so that this video will be shared to other people for them to learn about the use of AI, the advanced level. Also, leave a comment to learn more in the area of AI. Watch this video. See you next time.